Hey everybody, it's Dowden. In this 2-minute tutorial, we're going to be looking at how we can make sure that we're always writing in key by doing some tricks inside of our piano roll. There's actually 2 tips I'm going to be giving you today in this 2-minute tutorial. Let's just jump right into it. The first tip I'm going to give you is if you aren't too familiar with scales yet, if you don't have scales memorized, this is a really easy way to do this. So you start off by writing out a C major scale. And why C major is because it's really easy to remember because it's only using the white keys. So we go C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and then the octave, again, C. So this is a C major scale. And if you want to move this into a different key, say you wanted to move it into a D major scale, all you would have to do is move up all the notes by selecting all of them and moving it up 2 semitones. And now you're in a D major scale. If you want to turn this into a minor scale, you can change a major scale from a minor scale by taking the 3rd, 6th, and 7th note and moving it down 1 semitone. And now this is the D minor scale. The second tip is that we're going to take this entire D minor scale here, or whichever scale that you've written out, hold Command or Control, and I'm going to move it down 1 whole octave. So now I have 2 octaves here, and then I'm going to click the Fold button. Now I have all the notes in the scale laid out. I can press the arrow key towards the left, and it will push the notes before the actual piano roll loop starts. So now these notes aren't going to interfere with any of the other notes that I'm playing in my piano roll, but since we have them folded here, the only notes available to play are the ones that I've laid out in the scale that I've folded and pushed behind the playlist. No matter what we write here, it's going to be in scale. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe because I do new videos like this all the time.